Good day and what is up sa inyo mga kuys? Naisip mo ba, in the year 2124, which is exactly 100 years from now, we are all be buried. Meaning to say, wala na tayo dito. Together with our families, relatives, friends. Hindi na natin kilala yung mga tao na titira sa mga bahay na pinaghirapan nating mabuo. And someone else will own everything that we own right now. Yung ibang pagmamay-ari natin will be given away, itatapon, o kaya masisira na, including yung mga sasakyan, motorsiklo na pinaghirapan natin. Yung mga apo natin sa tuhod will hardly know who we are. I mean, sino ba sa atin yung nakakakilala pa dun sa lolo ng lolo natin? After we die, we will be remembered for a period of years. Pero later on, we will be a portrait on someone's wall. After some decades, all of our photos and history will disappear. We won't even be memories. If we pause and think of this argument, we will realize how pointless it is to worry and to overthink the things that we are thinking right now or worrying about right now. I've shared this video hindi para takutin ka, kung hindi para ma-realize natin na napakaikli lang ng buhay to worry. So do the things that you really love, and I think we will do the things that really matters to us. So take care of your body, take care of your soul, be happy, and to focus to the value of our life and not on the worldly desires. Again, thank you very much for watching. This is Dandy Pedrita, reminding you all, if wala kang gagawing bago, wala ring magbabago sa buhay mo. Thank you very much and see you again next time.